Want to make the classic version of green bean casserole? Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 180 Celsius. Coat a 1.5 quart baking dish with nonstick cooking spray. Open up 1 can of cream of mushroom soup and get it into a bowl. Pour in 3/4 of a cup of whole milk and stir it all up to combine. Season with freshly ground black pepper. Drain 2 cans of cut green beans and add to the bowl with the soup mixture. Get you some fried onions and pour in about 2/3 of a cup. Stir everything to combine. I'll link to the printable recipe down below. I have affiliate links in the description as well. If you like some of the things you see me use in my videos, you can click on those links. If you make a purchase, I'll earn a commission. Pour this into a 1.5 quart baking dish and smooth it all out. Get it into the center of your preheated oven for 30 minutes. Take it out and give everything a stir. Top with 2/3 of a cup of additional fried onions and bake for 5 more minutes or until it goes nice and golden brown. It's almost time to eat. Let it rest for a few minutes before you dig in. It's also great to make ahead and reheat the next day. If you'd like another great recipe, watch this video right here.